Hi, good day my ambitious friends. Welcome to today's video tutorial where we discuss a very commonly tested type question. Alright, it uses the concept of grouping, and there is this very useful technique that we see many times, which is make it the same. Right, in some other questions we need to also make it the same. What is the meaning of make it the same? For example, sometimes the units are different. We need to make it the same. Units and parts, maybe make the units the same as parts. Alright, or maybe make parts the same so that you can take away the parts, right? This technique of make it the same is very commonly tested in the word problems, and we are going to talk about it for this type of question now. Ko Chuan had some 10-cent and 50-cent coins in his savings bank. So two types of coins, 10 cents and 50 cents. He had 8 more 10-cent coins than 50-cent coins. Alright, so very quickly, if we were to draw a model, right, the 10 cent and 50 cents, 10 cent is winner by 8, so there is an additional 8 here. 8 more 10 cent coins. Okay, now the total value of the coins was $15.80. So if you were to draw this out, total value of these coins is 15.80. What was the total number of coins that Ko Chuan had? Basically, right, the question is asking you, how many coins are there in total? Yes, I know there is 8 here, but how many is here? How many is here as well? That is a question. Okay, so to do this, right, we need to make use of the fact that these two sections, they are the same. Okay, so again, if this is 1 unit here, over here will also be 1 unit of coins. We don't know exactly how many. We're not sure whether this is 15, this is 15, not sure. Alright, some students will do guess and check, but I really encourage you to learn this method that I'm going to go through right now. Okay, so to do that, 1 unit, 1 unit. How do I ensure that they are the same? I need to first take away these 8 coins first. These 8 10-cent coins I take away. So when I take away, this value here has to change, has to decrease a bit. Okay, so how do I do that? 8 times 10 cents. Change to dollars because the total value is given in dollars, right? So ensure that you are working with the same units. So the new total value, let's see what that is. 15.80 minus 0.80, it is actually $15. So what does it say? Guys, if I were to draw another set of model, 10 cents, 50 cents. If I want them to be exactly the same, then the total value will be $15 instead. So exactly the same means over here is 1 unit of 10-cent coins. Over here is also 1 unit of 50-cent coins. So this is where we employ a method called grouping. We group these 10 cents and 50-cent coins into a bag like this. And in each bag, we have 1 10-cent coins. We also have 1 50-cent coins. In one set, we have 1 10-cent and 1 50-cent coins. Of course, in reality, it's not 1. Okay, it may be more, but whatever it is, if this is 1 unit, over here will be 1 unit. Example, if this is 6 coins, at the top will be 6 coins as well. 6 coins. Okay, so that's why we use grouping when we can form units between the items, or when we see ratio between the items and there is also a total value, we use grouping. Now, in one set, the cost of one set, or the value, let's change this to value. The value of one set. This will be 10 cents. 0.10 plus 0.50. So the value of this one set is 60 cents. How many of these sets do I have? Okay, over here, one set I have 10 cents. 1 of these 50 cents as well. 1 times 50 cents. So how many of these sets do I have? Number of sets. Alright, so for this to happen, I take that new total value, divide by the value of each and every of this set. So 15 divided by 60 cents, let's see what that amounts to. 25 sets. Okay. So I literally have 25 of these sets. So basically, in going back to this model, right? Going back to this model, this 1 unit is basically 25 coins, 25 coins. Okay, so 25 sets. In each set, I have one of the 50 cent, one of the 10 cents. So in total, how many coins do I have? Alright, 25 times 2. Why times 2? Each set, there are 2 types of coins. So that's why there's 50, right? So 25 plus another 25. Plus, don't forget, in actual fact, there was these 8 coins that we removed. So we need to add that back in. So plus 8. So 50 plus 8. Answer is 58 coins. Okay, again, very commonly tested question. Useful technique, this one here. Alright, make it the same and then combine with the grouping technique. Thank you very much.